Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to run models with Llama cpp on Windows 10 and 11. For this you have to download the Llama cpp build for Windows from here. Then you need to download a model GGUF file from this website, and finally run this command to run the model. So GGUF file is a model file which runs on CPU as well as GPU. So if you have a CPU, you can run it on the CPU, and if you have GPU, you can run it on the GPU as well. So it's one file for CPU as well as GPU. So let's get it started. Download this Llama cpp. So latest version is B7871, and download the CPU x64 version. And if you have GPU, then you can download the x64 CUDA 12 or CUDA 13 versions. I will move the downloaded file here. Now extract this file, extract here. So we have all the DLL files as well exe files here. Create a new directory called models here. In the models, we will download the model, and so this is the URL to download the model. Just find this file into this page, and this is the link. Click here, and this file is big, and we can still download it using the download button. So model file is being downloaded. So llama.cpp. Here you will find the installation guide as well as Docker installation, and the commands to run the local file downloaded directly from the Hugging Face, and this is the OpenAI launcher. In another tutorial, I will show you how you can use the OpenAI launcher to run the models. So llama CLI is the command that we will be using to run the model. Command is llama CLI-m model name, and there is a llama server as well, which can be used to serve the model at some specific port. Browser access is this, and the API access is as well, and the API access is this 8080/v1 chat completion. Llama cpp comes with many advanced features, and is able to run the model on GPU as well as CPU. Download is still in progress. This is the command for using into the Linux. Download is completed, and I am going to copy this file, and I am going to copy this file into the models directory. So it is into models directory. Now it is simple. Now open the command terminal, dir, you will get the models directory where we have model, and here we have the exe file and the other DLLs. To run it, we can run the command llama-cli.exe -m models / mistral GGUF, then prompt what is the capital of France. It will give us the answer. To run this, press enter. The capital of France is Paris. Is there anything else you would like to know? So make hello world program in Java. Here is a simple hello world program in Java. It is completing the hello world program. This output is correct, but somehow it is started writing the SQL commands. Anyway, in this video, I showed you how to install Llama cpp and then run your first GGUF file using the llama-cli command. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.